Good morning. Hi guys. Good morning. We are back to the messiest room ever. So yeah, it's gonna be a busy morning. Gotta clean up around here. Gotta pack my bag to go home with this guy. Gotta walk this guy. We gotta do some gardening as well today. So yeah, lots on the cards. But I'm gonna start with a quick cleanup, walk him, and then we're gonna come back and do some gardening.
I've been on the road, I've been doing shows. Now we eating steak, remember sleeping on the floor. We stealing at the gas station when the time was cold. In the kitchen, hot still trying to flip it out the stove. Rocking fake J's, praying that nobody know. Watch them take my dog away, it was way too hard to stay composed. Fight to see the light of day, all this blood on my clothes. I was tired every day, green light, it's time to go. I don't wanna live life fast or die too young. Die too young.
Okay peeps, dog walking done, cleaning done. Now it's time for some gardening. Before I actually start gardening and get like my fingers dirty, I'm gonna finish my gardening class on Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community and I'm super excited to have collaborated with them. They have some amazing classes and workshops on topics ranging from photography, graphic design, animation, art, music, film and video, marketing, productivity, and gardening, which is the class that I'm doing today. I'm already on chapter 3 of the class and I will tell you guys more about it. But before that, I want to tell you a few things about the platform that I really love. I love that they have classes by industry experts, so you know you're learning from the best. They are really well formatted and concise. So you know the classes range from about 30 minutes to 2 to 3 hours depending on the course or class that you pick, and it's just really well categorized chapter wise, ad free. So all you got to do is, you can do it in one go or you can go chapter wise at your convenience, which I really enjoy. So before this, I did a class which I will tell you guys about, which I really liked, which was video for Instagram. Tell an engaging story in less than a minute. Loved how it was formatted. 30 minutes, again, really easy for me to grasp because this is something I do for a living, and it was really interesting to learn even work wise. And today I've picked a more hobby-based class. You guys know I love gardening. If you look at the current class that I'm doing, which is indoor gardening, grow houseplants, veggies and herbs by Ekta Chaudhary, it's amazingly structured. Again, split into chapters. Now, why did I pick this class? You guys know I love gardening. I love to potter around with my plants on the balcony, but I'm no expert. I actually know the basics, the soil, fertilizer, stuff like that. But I've never really kind of like done a class on gardening or really like learned about my plants, and I wanted to do more of that, which is the best part about the platform. So whether you have a hobby that you want to learn more about, or if it's work related like the earlier class I did, which was kind of related to my work, there's something for everyone. Before I head back to my class, I'm going to just tell you how amazingly affordable this is.
So their annual subscription is less than 2,400 rupees, which works out to less than 200 rupees a month, guys, which is pretty amazing for the kind of access you're getting. So many classes and workshops, all by industry experts, and that too ad-free.
Also, the first 1,000 subscribers that click the link in my description will get a 1-month subscription free. So click on that link and I'm going to go back to my class and learn about gardening.
So in this lesson, we will cover the foliage plants and the flowering plants. For foliage plants, I like to divide them into 2 categories.
And I don't wanna be lonely when winter is freezing and trees start to bolt. And I don't wanna be sitting alone in a room that's just filled with my soul. And so I came to this place, I'm looking for a familiar face, and that's when I saw you.
Okay, peeps, it has become really grey and rainy. I managed to finish my gardening just before it started pouring, and now it's become really grey. Feeling filthy now, dying to have a bath. So quickly gonna have a bath, maybe open some packages, and I ordered something special, something yummy. And yeah, quickly finish packing and leave. Weekend begins. So I have showered and the gloomy, rainy weather is still around. I am wearing pants and a cool top because I'm going out. Also gonna put on some lip balm because why not? You know, like lately, going home excites me so much. It feels like an out. Even though I'm going from house to house, but yeah, that's what's happening. Also, I kind of love how my hair falls naturally. Also, like without blow drying it. Like this is just air dried. Cool, right? And I'm wearing jeans after ages to prove a point to myself, because I ordered a pair of jeans online and I do not know why I did that. So I'm like, no, I will wear jeans. I'm going to go back to wearing jeans. So I'm wearing my jeans to prove a point to myself that I have not made a mistake by ordering jeans. But yeah, I'm gonna quickly open up some things that I want to take back with me and pack my bag and run. Firstly, very excited about my new cutter, and the traffic is going crazy as usual, but bought myself a new cutter for all the package opening. Let me know in the comments if you'd like a review. No. But yeah, seriously, maybe it could be in a to buy or not to buy if it's a really good cutter, which it is so far. Very excited about this. So I bought this for our house actually. You know, remember I had a hand of Hamza on the window there. It broke in the storm. So bought this off Instagram. Instagram made me do it. But the earlier one arrived broken in the mail, and this is the second one, which is really, really beautiful. Very excited. So I was very nervous to open this because I wanted it to be in one piece so we can hang it. So I'm gonna take this home. And then this baby arrived. So this is an award from Sony Ye for my work during the pandemic, which I think is really, really sweet. Thank you for acknowledging the things that I've done, and I hope we can keep helping people and doing better. Thanks, guys.
Check it out.
Okay peeps, we are home. I've got some yummy chocolate cake for dessert, and along with that I have a new barista in the house who's making me some coffee.
Did you take it strong?
Hello, do you remember this room? It's been a while, right? So I was really craving coffee, and this coffee machine was Weber's birthday gift and he loves it. So yeah, made me a yummy cup of coffee. And that cake, okay, so the cake is solved by Flavia, and it's a really funny story. So today she posted on her Instagram saying that she has an extra cake, and if anyone's ordered it to like DM her. So I replied as a joke saying it was me, please send it to me. And she was like, if you want it, it's yours, because no one's replied. And I was like, oh my god, yes. It was so good. Well, now it's time to just play with Bobby. Webs is already playing with Mars outside. I don't know if you can hear them. But just gonna play around a bit, hang my thingamajig, and...
Sorry.
Okay, and yeah, then just chill.
Shout out to the world so they know my sweet baby loves me so. She got me going, yeah, she turns me on. And she loves me, yeah, she loves me, and it blows my mind.
Or higher.
There. Yeah.
Are you hungry? Okay, so a lot of you keep asking me what Mars eats for dinner and lunch. He eats boiled chicken and veggies. So usually we use like French beans or carrots or whatever, boil them, and then you have to actually like mash them. Otherwise, Mr. will not eat them. And the chicken stock and just the chicken shredded. Mix it all together, and that's it. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Hello. So this was today's look. I really miss this mirror and that one. Like I miss my dressing table. Love, love, love this. So this was my granny's dressing table that I inherited. Just love how it looks, how old school it is. And yeah. Now we're gonna get my clothes out and then we're gonna take a shower. My cupboard is an absolute mess. Maybe I will clean it. Before I go for my bath, I just want to show you guys this room and show you how clean it is as compared to the Kolaba room, because my husband is absolutely like very particular about things being in their place and clean. So there's not a single thing other than my things on the bed right now. Dressing table is clean. Bedside is clean. Bedside is clean. No kachra anywhere. It's dinner time, and for dinner we're eating some dahi bhalle, some mushrooms, some yummy rajma chawal, and some kebabs. Guess who's knocked out? He's already exhausted and passed out. We are gonna binge watch Money Heist tonight. Very excited about that. Good morning, it's chai time.
Wow, when you're away, do I miss you? Is it just because I can't kiss you? Is it dishes in the sink or the lack of a wink? Or just because I love my life with you?
Just finished my chai and now just picking up my Sunday outfit. Not really. Gonna have some like brunch, breakfasty lunch, take Mr. for a walk, and yeah, I just, you know, the best part about this house is how quiet it is. Like compared to Kolaba, like where the traffic and the noise is insane, here I'm like right by the window and it's quiet. Where? Oh, it's a standoff. Naughty boy. And Sammy. Hi, Sammy. Hi. Hi. Guys, my jeans are here. Husband has made me another great cappuccino. Advice to everybody, gift your husbands a coffee machine. They will make you great coffee. I'm not really a coffee drinker. You guys know I love my chai, but a good cappuccino I love. I ordered a pair of jeans with this diagonal button zipper seam because I thought it was cool and I've been wanting one of those for a while. So I'm gonna try those. Let's see how they look. So this is the pair. The button bit is like a bit diagonal. It looked a lot more diagonal in the picture, sadly. I don't know if it is gonna look the same way. Let's try it and see. Not bad, pretty cool. Actually, they fit me perfectly, but I just imagined that this would be a lot more slanting. Like I wanted it to kind of be here, you know, like the button. I don't know, what do you guys think? Should I keep them or return them? Now we're gonna do a bit of a DIY. So the broken hanging, the one, you know, the first one that was broken, they don't want it returned. So I thought I'd stick it and maybe separately put them up in the same space. Let's do it.
Another guy looking for the perfect lover, the kind of love you only seen in a novel. I wasn't waiting for.
watching the race, having a nice chilled Sunday. It's been a nice easy day today, not really done anything major, just chilled at home, which is what I told you guys last time, that I love to just come here, chill, unwind, do nothing, because in Kulava I have to do a lot of stuff at home. So yeah, it's been a chill day. Ordered some Korean food for dinner, which is gonna be yummy, and yeah, that's it. Enjoying my Sunday. We have some sweet potato noodles, some kimchi fried rice, some mandu, which is the dumplings, pancakes, kimchi pancakes, and then we have the barbecue set.
'Cause it's a different kind of love from any other.
First time eating Korean.
We are explorers, it's a different kind of love.
Okay, peeps, that meal was amazing. So good. You guys know I love all things Korean, but Korean food now really hits the spot for me. I love it, and Weber loved it too. It's like his first time eating Korean food after Seoul. So yeah, just gonna quickly take a shower, watch some more Money Heist, and call it a night. So this is where the weekend vlog ends, guys. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Comment below with your favorite part from the vlog, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.